Tic-tac-toes, disciplined little dots, jots of journey-wisational, energy-wisational, displayable time phase time, passing or presence, present or passings of over, across, sideways, slanted, up, down, numberlistical 8 ways of winning in a fast motion in some degree of the fast pionical exercise of lay, rise, and exercising a structuralizational orders of life ending rules of better live, of long lasting or surface to surface, of driving or divings, lap boards, maybe a 6 clipboardable chair in a half circle or a half X in fabricational design of saving time on the win-win debatable rizational refrosting or refasting or refreezing or grounded or grained or growths of granulosizationals, restless noodles, moisturizational molecules of the hammock-wizational winging of flies of the Hensino nerdable, herdable shape auroras of the extensional overnighted or stand or looker of pieces and shapes, a shape overlooker hander, and a seated or studier or a laying down studier in a latitudinal layers of harmonical vortexals, dialogicals, of the 1, 2, 3, and then you count 1 as 8, 1, 2, 3, or you can just count 8 as 8, 7, 6, 5, in any counterclockwise-able, centerwizational reposting the deck card, the center card, like free space card, change as you draw your card. So whoever builds up and gets the most middle deck, especially if you got a slant or a second row, up, down, over, when on the paragraphical page sites of the learn sites, meaning learner with of fractions of centralization of planetary growth of air, distalment of the grains, air existence of the ionicals, granulazationals, harmonical use of intensities. This type of air dazzling grain is a grain dazzlement of the article lead of the deck pulsable pools of igluicals, fireistical rocks, latitudinal, satellitidal, and periodical, pleiadial, standing on star look of the flying flotational, hovering abounds of stillness on the liquid world, liquidal drop of the half-hearted or heart-baneable, lightable, debatable, refinable defines of the clipboard's chicks, scuppable chair. But on to the moves and winning the moves. This is a new displayable time posting or joke of addifractions in who goes first in the second round, third roundable daylight. It'll keep middle game, kind of like a chessboard counter.